Hi guys, we got a quick and easy vegan keto recipe for your enjoyment. Low carb keto, just the best. We take tofu, we dice it up. Then we take a large Ziploc bag, we empty it into the Ziploc bag. Take some Sazan Goya seasoning. Then we sprinkle it into the bag with the tofu. Mix it up. Then we take any brand would do, any brand of basil pesto sauce, and we liberally apply that into the bag as well. And we proceed to mix it up. Then this next ingredient is optional. I took some spicy avocado sauce and drizzled it inside the bag as well, and proceeded to mix it up. Don't overmix, just lightly mix. And last step, a sprinkle of salt. Season to taste. You can put salt or not, but a little salt will do. And then you have it. A quick, easy vegan keto deal that will suffice any meal palate.